Alright, I'm not sure if that's visible with all the light. I don't have the best phone camera, but you see that bird over there by the larger tree? Not the one in the front yard. You see, and there it goes. And if you look over there, comes up around here, and poof. It's like it thinks it's going behind that tree, but then. And there it goes. Sorry if you can hear the people home, but like, I'm not sure if it's landing in there exactly or it's just. Like, I can hear other birds, but like, I don't think they're in that tree specifically. I don't even see a nest. See if I can zoom in a little bit. Fucking dogs are going off. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna cut it off here. There's not much more to say about it. Just right there, and I wait for it to come again. And it's just